In ancient Egyptian families and culture in general, mothers were central figures, and because of this, they were honored with places on their sons' fancy monuments often. So how do you spot the word for mother in texts like these and write something for your mother in hieroglyphs? That's up next. Like in many other languages, the sounds M and T, that is M and T, were in the root of the word for mother in ancient Egyptian too. The word for mother in ancient Egyptian was mut, and it's written with this vulture sign and a complementary T bread loaf. This is a super useful word to know because mothers appear so frequently on monuments, like tomb chapel walls and stelae, such as we see here on this stela that belonged to a man named Kel. Here we can see Kel in the middle of the stela making offerings for his parents and also his siblings. His mother sits next to his father and she's labeled his mother Pashedet, or Mut-F Pashedet, Pashedet being her name. But it's not the only place where you'll see the word Mut. In addition to, of course, referring to people's mothers, it is also the name of a goddess. Mut was the consort of the god Amun, who was the primary state god from the time of the New Kingdom on in ancient Egypt. And because of this, you'll see her really frequently in ancient Egyptian materials, especially on temple wall scenes from Thebes, that is modern Luxor, which was the center of worship for Amun, and Mut, of course. But you'll also see her in other temples, such as this scene here from the Temple of Seti I at Abydos. And you can see here that her name is no coincidence. She is a divine mother and often is pictured as such, as you can see here where she is nursing the pharaoh Seti I. Now, of course, the ancient Egyptians had many other terms for the rest of their family members, and that's what we'll talk about in the next video, which you can find right here.